Good morning and welcome back to the weekly vlogs. Let me show you guys what I do for my iced coffee. It's very, very revolutionary. Oh, I'm getting it all together, okay? So we're just gonna pour that over ice. I don't drink a full cup of coffee because I just feel like I don't need it. This is the creamer that I'm using. It's a heavy cream. So in Japan, they don't have like coffee creamers. So you can use milk, or I've been buying the heavy cream. And I don't know if you guys follow Sundai. We love her. She actually posted about it on her stories after seeing me post about it in my stories, I think. And I was like having a huge fangirl moment because, yeah, I love her. The next thing is very random. I have this huge bottle of maple syrup. My mother-in-law sent this to us for Christmas. It's really, really heavy. It's Crown maple syrup. It's bourbon barrel aged, and I believe it's from a small business. She really likes small businesses just like I do. So I'm almost out, which kind of makes me sad. I've got like 1 or 2 more coffees left to make. And I have a little cocktail spoon. Okay. And that's my morning Joe. You guys know this or not, but I do work part-time at a school. So on days where I have to go into the school, I try to sit down and have my breakfast and then get other work emails done that are related to like my business, her.atlas. So I have to respond to brand things, check my emails, make sure I have contracts in line. So that's what I'm going to do now as I enjoy my breakfast. Okay, I forgot a knife, so I'm just eating everything with a spoon. Sorry! Eggs are life. Let's finish getting ready because I gotta go. Before I get ready, I'm going to put my deodorant on, which brings me to today's sponsor, which I am so excited to talk about. They have new plastic-free packaging. They're making steps forward to reduce plastic waste, which is something that I totally stand behind. The new packaging is paper, and it's also shaped differently. And somebody on Instagram was like, I don't know if I like the new packaging just because the way that it works is really weird. So I'm gonna show you. I also love that sound. It works like a push pop. So you press it in here and then it pushes up. And then the best way to apply it, I literally hold it like this, and you need to have a good grip on it to apply it. It is not sticky, dries fast, and there's great all day wear, even after exercise. Aluminum, paraben, sulfate, and cruelty free. And you might be familiar with simple ingredients like coconut oil and shea butter. It's a little bit of a learning curve, but to me, it's worth it. Citrus and herbal musk, I tried the lilac and white tea. I also have the tangerine and citrus blossom, which is part of the Jungalow collection. They're also a partner of 1% for the Planet and commits 1% of plastic-free deodorant sales to environmental nonprofits. Native deodorant ships to all of these countries as well as free to the United States. And today you can use code her.atlas2 with the link in my description. It's normally $39 for 3 deodorants, but today you will get them 25% off to get them all for $29. Now I've got on my deo for my bio. Let's get dressed for the day. My priorities are obviously modesty and then being comfortable. These are my favorite pants, so I'm gonna wear these. They're like these green cargo pants. So yeah, let me put these on real quick. Great, we love these. I've worn these in so many of my videos. I'll show you the full look in a second. These are the 2 tops I'm going between. I have this one, which is like an oatmeal, like little hoodie. And then I have this pink one. I really love pink and green together. I think we're gonna go with the pink one. Okay, so I'm just gonna tuck it in the front a little. I should probably zip my zipper up. I think this is like really playful and fun, especially for middle schoolers. I think this is the bag I'm gonna wear. These are my shoe options. I can do like nice little slides. I love these shoes. These are also from Madewell. And then I also have these like fun little sneakers. This moment, or are we feeling like this moment? I think we're doing the sneakers. So this will be my little outfit. I'll put like my lunch and stuff in here. So yeah, I really like it. Anyway, I have to go to work. So I will see you guys in the next part of this video. Good morning, Gus-Gus. I'm going to take Gus-Gus to the beach to go play. I usually like to do this around the time he needs to get a bath because taking him to the ocean, he gets like really sandy and we have just like so much fun. So yeah, why not take him to the beach if he has to get a bath anyway? Almost 8:45 in the morning, so I'm gonna get some coffee at 7-Eleven and then we're gonna go to the beach and just kind of like see where the day takes us. Say my name, you acting kinda shady, ain't calling me baby. Suddenly beautiful, I want something beautiful. A dream, I used to read What Up magazine, salt and pepper, cause you'll always be my baby. This is my favorite coffee ever. It is so good. We also have sweetener and creamer if you need it. The lids are here. You can also just get like regular dark coffee. So happy. I mean, look at how good that looks. High above me. Okay. So we just got to U Beach. It is a beach here in Iwakuni. I do have a video here, like if you want to know like where it is and more details about it, I will link it here and in the description. But anyway, now that you hear like my choice of jam out music for car rides, how old do you guys think I am? Sorry, I lied. This is not U Beach, it's actually like Glass Beach or like Suzumigata or something like that. I'll put a pin in the comments. Yeah. I said the wrong name. There is a beach near here called U Beach, but that's not where I'm at.
The great yellow sun is reflecting in your deep blue eyes. The day has begun. You spin around, you laugh to yourself, and I see you shine in every color.
We made it. It's kind of like a little isolated area on this side and then one behind me, so it's like a really short area where I can like take him off the leash and we can play fetch and let Gus run in the water. Y'all want to see him catch some speed?
As long as you're with me, get rid of all your sorrows in the summer city. There's no place on earth.
What is it? to go get his ball out of the water because he's scared to get in the water. I have no idea why.
All day, we spin around, your hand reaches mine. Feels like I can do anything, just give me a mountain to climb. You sing la 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 la. My God, I think I might be in love. Get rid of all your sorrows in this summer city. You'll never feel alone as long as you're with me.
Ollie dog. This like comes attached to it so you can travel with water. Gus-Gus, come here. Come on. You having fun, bud? Look at all the sand on him. And he has his summer collar on. There's like surfboards all over it. I have to go to Japanese class, so we're gonna do one more throw before we go. Okay, bye. I'll see you guys in a little bit. So we have officially unlocked a new level of adulthood. I am going to become a crazy lawn lady. I am at the plant store. I'm buying lawn seeds. The bottom actually rips off so you can like spray them like this. I'm getting a hose. We already have a weed whacker. I am truly vibing with this pink one. I actually really like how the advertisement's like, look how much fun she's having just whacking those weeds. Like, she is having so much more fun than this guy, like so serious. You just know you've made it as an adult when you are really excited about the new hose. It's all in Japanese, but luckily they have pictures, so I can follow that. Are you serious? That's all I had to do? I didn't read the directions after all. I'm really over here not reading any directions. Oh. Wow. Wow. I am not that bright, you know? Look at me putting together a little hose. Kind of speed we can get on this thing. So we got straight shot, mist. Ooh, I feel like this is like a shower. Looks like a nice little good watering. Another mist. Oh. Yes. What is that? What do you water with that? I'm happy with her. She's got some good speed on her, and I think she was only like $25. I'm gonna water the lawn, and then I'm gonna put like the seeds down. I don't know. I need to change my shoes though, because I'm like in this and it's gonna get real dirty. These are the grass seeds. I got 4 of them. So I'm gonna try to spread them. Oh. You have no idea how proud I am of myself. Oh my gosh, guys. I was out running errands. And if you followed me on Instagram stories, I've posted more there because I forgot to take my camera. I'm looking for like a dresser for my room. Not for my room, but for my office. Then I went to the thrift store to see if they had something there. Didn't find a dresser. But look at these chairs I found. I got like 2 rattan chairs. I have to show them to you. Like, look at such great condition they're in. I got this one. Okay. And this one. His and hers. And they were less than $40 for both of them. Like, I was trying to tell my husband, chairs like this go for like over $100 each online right now. And I found them for so cheap. Look at this. Hardly any wear and tear. Best find of my life.